Which is the best text to AI image generator till date? Flux AI or Midjourney? Or OpenAI's DALL-E or Stable Diffusion? Hi, I am Meghna, and in this video I am diving into one of the most frequently asked questions: which AI image generator is the best? We will compare the top contenders Luma AI, Flux AI and Stable Diffusion based on three key factors: quality, expense and usability. By the end, we will determine the winner together. Stick around because I will also reveal a secret method to generate passive income using these tools for free. Let's start with Luma AI, which was recently launched. First, let's check out some of its samples. The quality is stunning, though not as good as Sora AI when it comes to the overall feel. So in terms of quality, I will give it 6 out of 10. When I tried it myself on Dream Machine with the prompt astronaut jumping from space, the result took 5 to 10 minutes to generate. However, the great thing about Luma AI is that it's publicly available for free. So in terms of expense, it gets 10 out of 10. Usability was smooth and I understand why it takes time to generate. The queue feature was also cool, so I will give it 8 out of 10 here. So the total score for Luma AI is 23 out of 30. Now let's move on to the next one, which is everyone's current favorite, Flux AI, the illegitimate child of Black Forest Labs. Why illegitimate, you ask? Well, Stable Diffusion, a well-known company that's been working in this niche for years, had some disgruntled employees who left and launched Flux AI just 2 weeks ago as a competitor. They even called it open source, meaning their years of hard work is now publicly available. Of course, this is good for us, but Stable Diffusion probably isn't too happy about it. On the top of that, Flux AI managed to secure an initial funding of $31 million, possibly even from Stable Diffusion itself. Now let's talk about quality. The thumbnail you saw was created using Flux AI. Some are calling it Midjourney killer, and I agree. The quality is so good. You can't tell what's real and what's fake. For example, take a look at these two pictures and tell me which one is AI generated. Mind-boggling, right? That's why I'm giving it 9 out of 10 for quality. As for expense, it's free, and since it's open source, it also gets 10 out of 10 here. When it comes to its usability, it's currently operating at the API level, but you can access it directly from GitHub. I will share the link in the description. And let me tell you a secret, it wasn't easy to find this link. I spent an entire day getting access to Flux AI. So I think that deserves a subscribe, right? For usability, I will give it 8 out of 10. The grand total for Flux AI is 27 out of 30. Let's talk about their creators, X-Company, Stable Diffusion, which is product of Stability AI. You have probably seen a lot of videos generated using this model, and you haven't taken a look here. The quality and creativity of this software are truly amazing. It delivers fantastic results. That's why I will give it 8 out of 10 in terms of quality. However, when it comes to expense, it's quite expensive for the general public as they only provide API access and license to their software. So I will give them 5 out of 10 for expense. I tried hard to use it and found a way through the Hugging Face website, which offers free access to their API. I used it to generate a few images and the results were average. So using it through other source is also tough, and for usability, I will give it 5 out of 10. The total score for Stable Diffusion renames 18 out of 30. Now let's get to the main point. After analyzing various other tools as well, I found similar source, so the clear winner for this game is Flux AI with 27 points. It can be considered a strong competitor to Midjourney, especially because they are planning to launch a prompt-to video generator tools. Now let's talk about how you can benefit from all these development. Is there any way to use these tools to earn money? My short answer is yes. As promised, I am going to reveal the bonus point on how to earn passive income using these tools. The straight answer is Instagram. The method is called the theme page business, where you share photos and videos on specific theme and then earn money after building an audience. I'm not just talking in air. My brother and I have successfully grown a page from 0 to 200k followers, generating a passive source of income. My brother is also teaching this valuable knowledge in a private community, where we go live, interact with members, and share methods that you probably haven't heard of, known about. If you are interested in growing your Instagram and creating a passive income source, you need to be there. I will be providing the link to this private community in the description. I am Meghna signing off. Until then, watch this masterpiece.